football and every other sport that we're involved in.
Akiaria hindi ya igongona ria kwamukira timu ino riria rikwaririo ni kambuni ya wigithia ya SportPesa, murugamiriri wa timu ino Wangila Simiyu ni ashakaete ni maumirira moru ma timu ino muci wa Hong Kong, akiuga thirikari ni itigitie ihenya hari utwarithia wa na mbere wa mubira wa gonya.
We will not just walk into that World Cup. Going out there and playing among the big boys tells you that listen, a lot of resources have got to be poured in. A lot of support has to be given to Kenya Rugby Union. Again, a lot of support has also to be given to the clubs, because again, clubs are the source of these players.
Maumirira moru ma timu ino maracungiriirio okuharuruka thi makinya mere thiini wa murugamo wa mubira wa gonya thiini wa thi makiuma namba 27 nginyagia namba 29.
And it's Kenya in with a try.
Thenge ya maumirira moru, Simiyu nioigite ati kirari kigeranio kiega gia gwithima riri mari mehaririria-ini ma kwambiriria kimera kingi.
We've given our proposals to have more friendly games beginning next year from February, March, so that going towards the World Cup qualifiers, the teams should be ready.
Hindi iyo kambuni ya memerekia ya Mediamax ni ruguritie ikereka ria gatatu ria ihenya ria kilomita 10 na riria ritabanagirio mwena wa Eldoret.
I will be happy to see young upcoming talents participating on the same day of 9th December, because this is where I came from.
Muoroto munene wa ihenya riri ukoragwo ari gukuria ruhonge rwa urimi na mathako na njira ya gukuria imwana iria iri na iheo cia gutengera. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, jitagwo Mwihaki wa Ndogo.